Want to enable your Android hidden settings? Here's how enable or disable developer options. So first of all, let's open up our settings and let's scroll down to the very bottom to our About Phone tab. After that, let's find software information and let's locate our build number. We are to tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll get a pop-up window whether we want to allow developer settings or not. Let's press OK. If you have a password, you are to verify your identity at this point. So let's go back. And in our main settings, let's scroll down to the very bottom and we will locate our developer options. So here we have a great ton of different options, basically anything from your RAM control to your location controls, animation speeds, USB tethering, OTG, anything. So we have a lot of videos on different features in developer options, so you can go check them out. It can be really useful, and I really recommend you to go through them by yourself, just in the sake of interest and in the sake of understanding your phone more. When you're done and you want to hide those settings because some of them are highly sensitive and you don't want to mess anything up, simply tap on the switch right here at the top. Now they're off and you're done. They have disappeared. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.